Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Mojammad Haq, DHMS homeopath. Today, I'm here to talk about an important topic about the best homemade solution for hair fall. This homemade solution should be applied externally on the root of hair and should continue it for at least 1 month. To make the best solution for hair fall, we need 2 homeopathic medicines. One is Arnica mother tincture and second one is Brahmi mother tincture. We need also 100 ml coconut oil. To make this solution, mix 10 ml of Arnica mother tincture with 10 ml of Brahmi mother tincture. Mix them well, and after mixing well, mix it with 100 ml coconut oil. After mixing all 3, jack the bottle very well to mix the solution. It should be applied externally on the root of hair and should apply it when you go to sleep. Apply it daily and continue it at least for total 30 days. If the root of the hair is weak for any skin problem of the scalp, then by this solution it will be solved. But if there is any other complication like hormonal problem, he should take another homeopathic medicines with this solution. If hair fall is not reducing by applying this for total 30 days, please contact with me. In comment box, I will give my mail number. Contact with me.